I've tried to get this picture so many times, I can never get it. Oh, that's so cool.
I know, isn't it?
Cruising down the highway, look at us go with my friend Dave, putting on a show. Air horn blasting, know you should have seen, scaring all the jeepers out of Dave. What a crazy scene! Teasing the bears and fun times with two dogs, Lucy and Lou. Those moments made our adventure so juicy. Oh, we miss those days, driving through the haze, snow-covered roads, and those hot summer rays. Laughter echoing, memories run deep. On these road trips, we had dreams to keep. From mountains high to valleys low, each twist and turn where the wild winds blow. With the windows down, we sang our songs, with Lucy and Lou driving all day long. Every mile a story, every stop a surprise, chasing the sunset under endless skies. Oh, we miss those days, driving through the haze, snow-covered roads, and those hot summer rays. Laughter echoing, memories run deep. On these road trips, we had dreams to keep. So here's to the journeys, the joy we found with Lucy and Lou. Love all around, let's hit the road. No reason to wait, with those days of adventure we'll create our fate.
So we stopped to have a picnic, and oh, there's the train. If you see it over here. You just damn it! But we found a really cool picnic spot by a brook over here. Taking a trip up here to the Crawford Notch. There's the missus. Hi, say hi, everybody. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
She couldn't find a cup, so she has to put it in the bag.
I think it's working. Yeah, the hole's working. The one in my chin. Okay, I'm done.
Right.
She literally dug that rock out of the lake. Out of the... Hey! Go get her. Go get her. Go get Sue. Come on, baby girl. Come on, let's go. Boy, this is beautiful over here. The Great North Woods. It'd be a lot higher than this than it is right now because we haven't had much rain this summer. And we had the early melt off in March. So this is basically just from just the fed. I mean, I can't get to the dam hopefully we can get to that waterfall. Hey, Lulu, Lucy. Go have a smile for the camera. Cute, he said. Cute, she says.
Right.
So, David, and we are actually going out to take you on a trip to the Old Man in the Mountain, and to where the first alien abduction in New Hampshire happened in 1961. Hopefully we can get to that site. So now we're actually heading to the campsite right now, but there's some scenes that I'd like to get, so I'll be right back. Okay, we are here into the White Mountain National Forest. So our next stop will be the Old Man in the Mountain, and hopefully we can see the Old Woman of the Notch, which is across from the Old Man in the Mountain. Hopefully we can get that. I think it's on the north side of the lake, and we're actually on the south, so we probably won't see it. But there is a video clip or some pictures that you can see online. I'll put that link in the video. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get ready to start. Here is the scene of it right here. I can show you a little bit entering it. There's no traffic coming along. It's a busy day today. But that's it right there. That's starting it. So, okay, ahead. So we'll go to there. We're in the Franconia Notch State Park. That's the gate on the side. Yeah, at the lake. So it's going to be exit 32 is where we want to get that. Oh wow, look at this. And there's the observatory up there.
Oh man.
Historic site. Okay. They said next, that's the next section, right? Yeah. So, okay, then we'll get back on. I know, isn't it? It's great. It's wonderful. There it is, right there. That's where the Old Man of the Mountain stood. And let's see, what was it, 2003?
I think so. That's when I was here.
Yeah.
As my sister's
Right. So that's where it's set, right up there.
Through the winding trails and the paths unknown, with the spirit of freedom, she's never alone. Every sunset paints a story so bright. Mrs. Jones keeps traveling into the night. So here's to the journeys where her spirit roams. Mrs. Jones forever finding her home. With laughter and love, she'll keep moving on. In her heart, the road sings a beautiful song. Oh, Mrs. Jones, on the road she goes, camping under stars where the wild wind blows. Laughing with the bears, teasing with the cheer. Adventure's calling, she has no fear.
Yeah, okay, I have here, her name is, I'm sorry again?
Pauline Selfridge.
Okay, she's part of the women's group that started the Old Man of the Mountain, the monument. When I took you through that, as far as the notch and whatnot, that's where the old man had stood. So they had went ahead to show talk about that, but tell us about the history, you know what I'm saying, that as you were growing up and the kids were growing up, trips that you've taken up here.
Right. when I was younger, my brother was living in Colebrook, New Hampshire.
Yeah.
And so we'd have to go through the Notch. Every holiday we went up there to visit him. We'd stop and look at the old man. So
Yeah.
when the old man fell, you know, kind of was a shock.
Yes. Yes. And what year was that again? It was 2003, wasn't it?
Was it 10 years ago? I don't remember. They just celebrated. Yeah, so we enjoyed seeing the old man of the mountain. You know, that was a stop for us.
Yeah.
To walk around and look and have a picnic. And so then after the old man fell, I belonged to the National Women's Club. And they belong to another group, which is the General Federation of Women's Club. It's national, international.
Uh-huh.
So in New Hampshire, there's like 24 or 25 clubs.
Oh, wow.
And so the New Hampshire chapter decided to help out. So they bought a big bench that you can sit on to view. So a lot of companies, help pay for that because it's not one small place that can do it.
Yeah. Hold on one second.
So we do have a bench up there with the New Hampshire WC chapter. So the New Hampshire chapter decided to help out, So we gave a donation and all the clubs together helped out to buy that bench because that was, pretty expensive item.
Yeah, yes, exactly.
The women group, they all help their community, whatever the community needs.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Now, I didn't know about this, but when I was reading online, they also the old lady of the Notch.
The old lady of the Notch.
Do you know much? You didn't hear about that? Okay, all right. Well, that's something I saw online, and I was just curious about it because they say you can see it from Profile Lake.
Oh.
But it's where it sets, you know what I'm saying? It's you kind of like gotta go out on the boat and go around, and then you could actually see it. But there are pictures of it. So, all right. So okay. All right. Well, thank you very much for that information. I really appreciate it.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You waiting for your daddy? Yes. It's still there. Wait. Oh no, it's still there. You carry Lucy because she got a turd stuck in her butt.
Want to try to walk?
Oh,
Want to try to walk?
watch, because she won't walk by herself. Look. Come on, Lucy.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Come on. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Oh, that's so sad. Oh.
Come on.
Constipation be a mother. Oh, baby. She wants that dirt off of her. Just run and get a tissue. We'll stay here, baby. Okay, come on. Let's go outside. Come on. You ready? Come on. Come on, stand up. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stand up. Here, Mama help you. Here, get up, baby. Here, stand up. Come on, get up. Let's go for a walk. You want to go outside? Come on. Come on, let's go. You got this. Come on. Come on, let's go outside. Come on, baby. Oh, we lost one already. Come on. We're going to go outside. Come on. Come on, let's go. You ready? Come on, let's go. Hug. What Gigi do to you? Come on, let's go. You ready? She's pissed. One. Here, look at this one. Ow! There it is. Get it. Get that big one. Look at it. Get it. Get it. Drag it over there. Look it.
Lucy.
Get that.
Lucy.
Look it right here. Oh, attack it. Attack that snowball. Get it. Break it down. Get that snow. Bad snowball. Arr. Arr. Get it. Get that snowball.
Lucy. There's another one. Come here.
Attack. Attack the snowball. Attack it. Get it. She's so funny. Aww. Chloe's a pussy. She went in the car already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Lucy,
Why they
get out of the car right now. Get on in, buddy. Come on. You little... You're gonna... Get going.
Come on, guys.
Come on, let's go. Stop playing your game, Lucy.
Come on, Lucy.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. What is your problem? Come on, baby.
You love it outside.
What the... You wait. Why are you weirding out on us? Come on, little girl.
Come on.
Okay, bye. Bye. Come on, Lou.
Oh, I get over here right now. Let's go. You... Get out that door. Get out here.
What are you doing? I don't know what that was all about.
I don't either.
I think they thought we were getting in the car. That's what I think.
Maybe.
That's fucking hysterical. Oh my gosh, go get it. Get that big thing. Get it. Here. Tear it up. Get that snowball. Tear it up. Get him. Get it. Tear it up. Just stop the laugh. Here. Oh, there's another one. Get it. Get that snowball. Get him. Show him who's boss. Get it. Lucy, you're a trip, man. Little ninja. She's a little ninja. Oh, there she goes. What is that? There goes Chloe. Run, Chloe, run. What are you going to do? What's your problem? Mama fixing it. Why are you attacking it? What are you going to do with it? Look. What happened? What you going to do? You don't understand why it's not turning on? What's the problem? Get that vacuum. What are you doing? What's the matter? It ain't gonna turn on. What's the problem? I'm almost fixing it. What's the matter? You attacking it? You done? But it's much too strong to let it go now. I used to play this every single day. Extra careful.
Sing it, girl.
Oh, I love this song. Don't get your hopes up too high. She's got her own obligation, and why me and Mrs. Joe.
We got a thing going on. Bam, bam, bam. Know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now. We got a big heart, two big on girls. I love this song. Stop it.